Hey everyone, and welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two awesome products in the drone category, the Q9s Drones for kids and the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. First up, let's talk about the price. The Q9s Drones for kids is priced at $49, while the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball comes in at $45. Both of these products are quite affordable, making them great options for kids and beginners. When it comes to design and durability, the Q9s Drones for kids features bright LEDs that emit vibrant neon green and blue light, creating a visually stunning flying experience. It also has a structured style and sturdy propeller guards, ensuring a secure flight and protecting your kids from any spinning propellers. On the other hand, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is made of high-grade ABS material, making it lightweight, flexible, and able to withstand countless crashes. The enclosed propellers also ensure the safety of children during play. User-friendliness is an important factor to consider, especially for beginners. The Q9s Drones for kids offers a range of user-friendly features, including one-button takeoff, landing, and return, making it super easy to control. It also has 3 different speeds to choose from and a headless mode, which means you don't have to worry about identifying directions. Additionally, the altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover automatically in the air, even without any input from the controller. On the other hand, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is hand-controlled and features a gyroscope and smart AI chip, promising intelligent flight. It's designed to work both indoors and outdoors, making it a versatile option for any time and anywhere fun. Battery life is always a concern when it comes to drones. The Q9s Drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, giving you double the flight time and more fun. On a full charge, it offers a decent flying time. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball, on the other hand, requires a 25-minute charge and provides 8 to 10 minutes of flying time. Both products offer a good balance between flight time and charging time. Finally, let's talk about some additional features. The Q9s Drones for kids offers multiple operating tricks, including 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions, adding excitement to your flying experience. It's a great toy for kids who love experimenting with different maneuvers. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball, on the other hand, serves as a cool high-tech toy that not only brings fun but also helps improve children's hands-on ability, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. It's a perfect gift for various occasions. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Q9s Drones for kids and the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball in various categories. Both products have their unique features and advantages. Ultimately, it depends on what you're looking for in a drone. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more about these products and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. If you have any suggestions for future comparisons, let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.